Assalamu alaikum and nice to meet you. Welcome to the Arte Works channel. Thank you for subscribing. This video is about making art metal, or replicas sculpture, made from scrap metal such as nuts, screw, and other metal materials. As you can see, an explanation will be made before starting a project. Here are details about the size and design of the art metal and the replica that will be made later. After the explanation is complete, the team will collect the metal items that will be used and begin the process of making the sculpture. So stay tuned and enjoy the making progress. After the collection of materials is enough, the team will make the initial design of the replica and according to the specified size. Various materials are used such as nuts, screws, bolts and used metals. Let's enjoy the process. Once everything was formed, the team began to paste the outside of the replica to fill the empty space and certainly not run away from the original shape of the replica. The team used the mild steel inert gas welding machine because it is easy and not tiring and suitable for interesting results. As you can see, the team was very careful in the manufacturing process. This is because, one mistake can cause the time of a project to be long and the work material to be damaged. This team is very professional in doing this work. It cannot be denied anymore. They are very thorough and focused in doing this work. It's very satisfaction to see. After getting the results of the replica design, the team performs the process of smoothing the rough surface or the process of removing all unnecessary spikes on the replica. By using grinders and other equipment. This process is also done carefully so as not to disfigure the original shape of the replica. This process is done until the team is satisfied with the results. Look there, they are doing a great job. At this time, the team will modify the design of the replica to a suitable shape based on the specifications that have been agreed upon. This process is done carefully and patiently. If that was you, would you be willing to do it? Of course, this is indeed a fun experience, isn't it? The process of washing and removing the dirt really tests the team's patience. But they are so meticulous in making this replica. Safety is also required in this regard, because the risk of being hit by the tool point is also high. So please don't try at home if you are not professional on this job. As you can see, this team also burns the replicas that have been produced. This is because it aims to remove the oil stains found in the iron. After the team is satisfied with their respective results, the next step is the process of removing and washing the fine dirt and oil stains attached to the replica. The team sprays air using an air gun compressor to get rid of the stubborn dirt. They also wash the replicas using diesel lubricant. This aims to scrape off oil stains, stubborn dirt, and also aims to prevent replicas from easily rusting before the plating process is done. This process is done carefully so that all dirt is removed from this replica. After that, this replica will be sprayed with wind to thin the oil coating on the body of this replica. This process is done until all replicas are completely clean of all dirt. After finishing the process of getting rid of the dirt, the team began to place on the replica site to mark the place where the hole will be drilled later to tie the replica. At this time, the replica that is ready is brushed, arranged according to the desired order as in the drawing at the beginning of the video. All the team looked happy after successfully completing the replica. Once satisfied, the replica will be taken to the painting workshop to do the chrome and gold plating process. After finishing the process of creating the replica, next is the finishing work to create the replica stand. The base stand is made of MDF wood and will then be pasted using soft, pulley putty to prevent paint from seeping into the MDF wood. After finishing the work of scrubbing the stand, next the stand will be sprayed using lightning black color. This is a trick to increase the color of the replica when it is installed later. This process is also done carefully and meticulously. This is to get the best painting results. Look at the color. So shining. Shining looks like your smiles. After that, the bottom layer of the puka stand is wrapped using velvet. This process also has to be careful because if there is a mistake, the velvet will wrinkle. This team is professional in producing work. So proud to them. After the hard work of all the teams who succeeded in making this replica, finally, this is the result. That's all for this time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like if you like this video. Arte Works channel wishes you a happy new year 2024. Thank you.